Hello everyone, welcome to our first class, and by the next few classes we are going to be learning how to create interactive dashboards in Microsoft Power BI. So what is this and why are we using it? Microsoft Power BI is a tool that helps us process raw, messy data into clear, actionable insights that can help people make better decisions. It is very easy to use, and the best part about it is that we can visualize the data that we have into graphs and charts and anything else, which, which makes it easier for the other person to understand. Microsoft Power BI will take the data from any source, Excel file, database, website, or cloud services, and then turns them into beautiful reports and dashboards. So we have three main tools which are connected. These are the desktop, service, and mobile. But we're going to be using Power BI desktop. So there are two ways to get the desktop version of this. So first of all, you can either go to the Microsoft website or we can just search for the Microsoft Store. So after getting here, we are going to be searching for, yes, here we have Power BI. So if you search for Power BI, we will have different versions of it. So here's the one we're going to be used, that is Power BI Desktop. So I've already installed it. You can install it easily. There is nothing else to do. And after you install it, we'll begin our lesson. So for the entirety of the class, we're going to be using one of the data sets that I have made. Now let's start with it. I'll show you what the interface is like. So here, this is the interface when you open it, and we're going to be starting with the blank report. So after you opened it, this is where you will be making the dashboards. So this is where you will be putting all the visuals, for example, the chart, the stacked area chart, pie charts, then we have card, we have tree maps, everything. Yeah. And there are different types of column chart, bar chart, class chart, and everything else. So here is the main part of it. This is where we get our data from the work from an Excel workbook or a text CSV or SQL Server, anything. Generally, if you are going to be doing basic work, it's generally limited to CSV and Excel workbooks, but we have to know about every one of the formats. So this is the report view. Then we have the table view where we will have the Excel data or CSV data. This is where we create a relationship. This is the model view, and these are the tags and TMDL. But we're going to be keeping it limited to model view. Here you can see the same thing that you're going to be doing here, visualizations, you can do it in here, but there are other things you can insert, for example, the text box shapes and everything. This is the modeling view where you can create your new measures and everything. And this is the view is to just put in customized theme. So there are varieties of them. So this is all about the interface. Here we have the filters, here we have the data that we will have, and in the next part we will be cleaning the data before we start making any visualizations. Okay, stay tuned for the next one.